Hello students, in this video we will learn how we can enter the data in a spreadsheet and how we can edit the data. A spreadsheet is a combination of rows and columns in which you can enter the data and can perform mathematical calculation on that. If you want to enter a data in a spreadsheet, then simply click on the cell where you want to enter the data, and after that simply write the data in that. Means if you want to enter data in this cell, just click on this cell and just enter the data which you want to enter. Now, types of data. What type of data you can enter? The text data. Text data means it is a combination of letters and number. Means any character, anything can be entered in the cell. By default, text data is left aligned in a cell. Remember this. By default, text data is left aligned in a cell. Number. The numeric value numbers can be entered in a cell to perform mathematical calculation by using mathematical operators. The numeric data, the number data is right aligned in the cell. Remember this. It is right aligned in the cell. Look at here. Here they have written television, toaster. It is left aligned in the cell. They have written value over here. It is right aligned in the cell. You can change the alignment of the cell to left, right, center by just clicking on this alignment buttons, left, center, right, or top, center, bottom, to align your data. So text data, it is by default left aligned. The numeric data, the number data, which is right aligned. Formula, you can write the formula over here to perform some mathematical calculation. For example, if you want the amount is the rate into quantity, then you can simply write here equal to the name of the cell. The name of the cell is C2 and name of the cell is D2. So you can write equal to C2 into D2. It will give you the result by calculating the cell value from this formula. Remember that in Excel, formula begins with equal to sign. If you do not write equal to sign over here, then it will simply a text, means it will not calculate the value. It will simply show C2 into D2. But if you want to make it as a formula, then that should be begin with equal to sign. Remember that. Now, editing cell content. If you want to replace any of the content of the cell, simply click on that cell and write the new text. It will automatically change the existing value, like here. And if you want to edit the content, suppose you want to write TV 123 or smart TV. Instead of replacing the entire content of the cell, you want to edit it. Then how you can do it? Just double click on the cell or just click on the cell and press the F2 key. This. Either you can double click on the cell or just put the cursor over the cell and press the F2 key. After pressing the F2 key, the cursor will appear in the cell and you can edit the content over here. After editing, just simply press enter key. It will make the changes in the desired cell. Moving around the sheet. If you want to move around the sheet, then the arrows key which are present on the keyboard can be used. Left, right, up, down means left key will move the cursor in the left direction, right key will move the cursor in the right direction, up arrow key move the cursor up, and down arrow key move the cursor down. So by pressing the arrow key you can navigate through the spreadsheet by different cell. Page up key move up by one screen. Page down key move down by one screen. Home key move to the first cell of the row. Control plus down arrow key move to the last row of the spreadsheet. Control plus up arrow key move to the first row. Control plus left arrow key move to the first column. Control plus right arrow key move to the last column. Control plus home move to the first cell, that is A1. Control plus and move to the last cell of the spreadsheet. So by using the arrow key and this control key you can navigate through the spreadsheet. Using name box to locate a cell. As soon as you place your cursor to a desired cell, then the name of the cell appear in that particular column. This is the name box which shows the name of the active cell. If you type here name by your own, then your cursor will, and press the enter key, then your cursor will automatically move to that particular cell. So if you want to reach to any particular cell, then you can write the name of that cell in that name box. Selecting cells. The continuous cells in horizontal or vertical directions are known as cell range. Means if you want to select these particular cells, then simply place your mouse at first cell and drag your mouse to the desired location. The mouse which will drag over the cell will get automatically selected. In this question they have selected this cell, means you place the cursor over here and drag the mouse, it will select these cells. The range which is selected will have the address, the name of the first cell, that is B1, after that colon, and the name of the last cell, that is C2. So the cell range which is selected, it is having the address B1 colon C2. In this way you can select the cell range. There are different ways to select the cell also. Means to select a cell range of cells using mouse, first we have done place the mouse pointer of the first cell and drag your mouse. To select a range of cells using keyboard, press the shift key and move to the last cell by the arrow keys. Means just place your cursor over the cell and after that dragging the mouse, just hold the shift key and press the arrow key. To select the complete column, just click on the header of that column here. In the same way, if you want to select a complete row, then just click on the name of the row. And if you want to select the entire sheet, click on this portion, this corner. It will select the entire sheet. Means if you click this, it will select the entire row. If you click on this name of the header of the column, it will select the entire column. If you click on this corner portion, it will select the entire sheet. Thank you.